How to get disability for depression and anxiety. Did you know that by the time you reach age 35 you have a 50% chance of missing up to 3 months of work until you retire? This means that half of the people who are working steady employment are likely to find themselves unable to work for a 3-month period or more between the ages of 35-65, and that means that you also have a pretty good chance of being hit by an illness or injury that could leave you unable to work for a period of time. There is the FMLA to fall back on in times of illness, and what ails you that will get you the time off that you might need. Time off is necessary to get well, but a paycheck is also very needed to keep a roof over your head. Anyone that pays bills and lives from one pay period to the next needs more than time to heal. This is when disability insurance is most helpful. There are affordable plans of both long and short-term disability. Now there are a large number of people who are working who don't have this type of insurance coverage, and for sure some of them will find themselves in a situation where they are unable to work for a period of time. Of course, you are probably thinking that if you become disabled that Social Security disability will kick in if you are not getting paid, but you may be surprised to learn that this type of help is not only difficult to get, most people have to apply and be denied several times before getting an approval. Even in situations where a person is seriously ill, it can take up to 6 months or more before you ever see a dime from Social Security, and in the meantime your bills will be stacking up. Workers' compensation will only help you if you are injured on the job, and even then you need to prove it, so this will only help a small portion of those who are out of work. Having disability insurance can be the best thing that you do for your family. There is short-term disability insurance as well as insurance that will cover for a few years or more. It is less costly than most people realize, which makes it easier to accept paying for every month. Imagine how much easier life will be if you need to sit back and let yourself heal and you don't have to worry about money at all.